Architects say more developers in Singapore are choosing to exceed the highest green building requirements, with private demand up by as much as 30%. They add that the push for energy efficiency is becoming more urgent amid rising power costs. Rachel Teng with this report.
This is Singapore's newest office development at Singapore Science Park. Built from mass-engineered timber, the 9-storey tall communal area has a carbon footprint up to 80% lower than steel or concrete. This material also traps less heat, helping to reduce costs.
The operating cost of the space after it's utilized, compared to a fully air-conditioned space, the air conditioning consumption here is 60% lower. So therefore, what we want is to create a centerpiece that allows for activities to happen, for interaction to happen, but yet in a sustainable manner.
Other developers are going big, like in the Punggol Digital District. You might first notice the greenery and open communal spaces, but below the surface is a district cooling system that cuts energy use by up to 30%. Chilled water is delivered across the entire precinct, powering the MRT station, retail, commercial and tertiary buildings.
By centralizing these chiller as well as cooling tower, we can also optimize the real estate space so that the roof, for example, can be freed up for solar panel, which is again sustainable, and the space in the, say, for example, the basement can also be freed up for other uses, which is a little bit more higher value than just for cooling purposes.
One architect says that while such green features are becoming more common, high costs are the biggest limiting factor to investing in green development. Still, the long-term payoff is becoming harder to ignore.
Developers are seeing the benefits of actually having sustainable design buildings that consume less energy, not forgetting the energy crisis that we're currently undergoing now. Energy costs are on the rise, and energy usage becomes one of the biggest components of maintenance and cost of running a building. So we have seen a lot more interest.
This push also aligns with Singapore's Green Building Master Plan, under which 80% of developments are expected to meet higher energy efficiency and environmental sustainability standards by 2030.